Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw Cardano, ADA, from your Coinbase wallet to Uphold. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so let's do this carefully to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase Wallet and Uphold accounts set up and verified. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your Cardano holdings. It should be listed under your assets, easy to find with the ADA symbol. Next, select your Cardano balance and choose the Withdraw or Send option. This will prompt you to enter the destination details. Now, head over to your Uphold account. Go to your wallet section, find your Cardano address, and copy it carefully. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are long and case-sensitive. Back in Coinbase, paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Cardano you want to withdraw. Make sure it's above any minimum thresholds, which might vary, but in 2025, these are usually pretty low. You'll see a transaction fee estimate. Factor that in so you don't send more than you intend. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. Sit tight while the network processes it. Cardano transactions are fast, often taking just a few minutes. Finally, jump back to Uphold and refresh your wallet. Your Cardano should appear shortly. If it doesn't, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And that's it, you've successfully moved your ADA. Remember, always stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and keep an eye on market trends. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.